If you're still following the 5-year plan you made in 2020, you're already obsolete. That sounds harsh, but it's truth. The world you planned for, it doesn't exist anymore. And the career advice that worked 5 years ago, it's about to get you left behind. AI is replacing jobs we thought were untouchable. Industries are collapsing overnight. Skills that took years to master are becoming automated. And meanwhile, we're still being told to find our passion, climb the ladder, and put in our 10,000 hours. But the ladder is broken. The rules have changed. And if you're not adopting, you're not just falling behind, you're becoming irrelevant. So here's what you need to do in 2026. Stop thinking in 5-year plans, start thinking in 6-month experiments. The future is moving too fast for right plans. What you need isn't certainty, it's adaptability. And here's a new career framework that you can try. You have to learn fast, test faster, pivot without ego. That's it. That's the game now. You don't need to know exactly where you'll be in 5 years. You need to know what you're testing in the next 6 months and have the courage to kill it if it's not working. Instead of saying, I'll be a senior manager in 5 years' time, ask yourself, what skill can I actually build in the next 6 months that makes me indispensable? Instead of committing to one career path, ask yourself, what are 3 parallel bets I can place right now? Instead of waiting for permission or the perfect opportunity or perfect timing, ask, what can I start testing today with the resources I already have? Because the people who win in 2026 aren't the ones with the perfect plan. They're the ones who move before they're actually ready and adjust as they go. I failed many times. I adjusted many times. And the version of my work that exists today, it didn't exist in my 5-year plan. But it's exactly where I needed to be. Here's the deeper truth that you have to know. Career pivoting isn't about giving up. Always remember that. It's about growing up. It's about being honest enough to admit when something isn't working anymore. You have to be brave enough to let go of what you thought you'd be, and smart enough to bet on what's actually emerging. The most dangerous thing you can do in 2026 is stay loyal to a version of yourself that the world no longer needs. Your 5-year plan isn't a contract, it's a hypothesis. And if the data says it's wrong, you have to rewrite it.